I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for sharing these questions. We have more than 400,000 subscribers and 17,000 absolutely free videos for you to explore. We look into the properties of integration with the help of the example. We are given that integral of g of x dx from 3 to 7 is 8. We need to find the integral from 4 to 8 of g of x minus 1 plus 2. So let us see how we can use the properties and easily answer this particular question. So initially, let me uh, derive the kind of formula which is also called properties of integration, and then we'll apply it. So we need to find what is the integral of g of x plus x minus 1 plus 2, right? So now we can do a substitution. That is to say that if u is equal to x minus 1, let us say, then du will be equal to dx. Also, when x is equal to 4, then u is equal to what? 4 minus 1, right? Which is 3. And when x equals to 8, then u will be 8 minus 1, which is 7. So that means we could actually rewrite the same integral, which is integral from 4 to 8 of g of x minus 1 plus 2, right? Dx. We could rewrite this as equal to integral of 3 to 7, right? G of x minus 1, instead of that, we can write g of u plus 2 as such, right? And dx as du. You understand? So what has happened is that the function which has been translated one unit to the right, the limits also gets changed. You see that? Instead of 4 to 8, now they become 3 to 7. And we can now integrate it. So what we get is integral from 3 to 7 of gu du plus integral from 3 to 7 of 2 du, right? And of gu du is already given to us as 8. So the first part is 8, right? Plus 2 integral is 2x. So 2x, and then we can see from 3 to 7. So which is 8 plus 2 times 7, which is 14, minus 2 times 3. Or you can say 7 minus 3, which is 4, and 4 times 2, which is 8, right? So either way you could write. So we'll write 14 minus 2 times 3 is 6, and that gives us the result, which is equal to 8 plus 8, which is 16. And that is how we are going to answer this particular question. Now, those of you who remember the rules, they could straight away write the integral from 4 to 8 of g of x minus 1 as integral from 3 to 7 of g of x dx, right? And then do the question. So I did the substitution just to show you how we really get the same result. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.